Here's how you can fix your phone addiction and completely turn your life around in just 3 simple steps. But first, you have to understand, why are you addicted? Because if you don't, none of this is going to work. You want to get your life together. You want to make money, you want to get in shape, you want to actually learn something new, but you're stuck doom scrolling every single day like it's a part of your routine. And you're wondering to yourself, why is nothing changing? But don't worry, you're not actually addicted to your phone. You're simply just addicted to avoiding discomfort. Our brains have adapted to constantly chase comfort 24/7. We never want to step outside our comfort zone and do the things that actually might benefit our life, like making money, eating healthy, going to the gym, learning a new skill. Phones feed us dopamine every few seconds. So working out, eating healthy, making money, learning new skills, it all feels uncomfortable by comparison. The second you try to cold turkey quit, your brain panics and it drags you right back to your old habits. Here's the 3-step system that actually helped me stop reaching for my phone without deleting all my apps or going full monk mode. Each of these steps fixes a different part of your addiction, but they only really work together. Step 1, cut off the triggers. You simply can't win a war when the enemy has the high ground. Your phone is designed to distract you. Notifications, colors, sounds, they're all micro traps. I used to tell myself, just 5 more minutes, and then I get sucked in for the next 2 hours. Step 1 is about disabling the trap. Start with the basics. Turn on silent mode or do not disturb. I have it on literally all the time when I need to be focused and locked in. This might work for some of you, but the real game changer, turn your screen gray. Grayscale kills the visual addiction instantly. Try it. It'll feel really weird at first, but it clicks. And the third and most effective method, download the Opal app. It restricts any distracting apps. Don't worry, I'm not sponsored. It's just a great app. But it won't work without this next step. Step 2, replace the input. You can't just remove scrolling. Eventually you'll slip and you'll fall straight back into old habits. What you have to do is find a new source of dopamine. After I disabled the traps, I'd still pick up my phone without thinking. Even though I wasn't scrolling, I never actually fixed the craving. So I gave my brain something else to do, like reading 5 pages or learning the guitar. There's no point in stopping scrolling if you're not doing anything better with your time. Trade cheap dopamine for something that'll actually help you. But you guys are still missing one piece of the puzzle, and that's step 3, your environment. It either makes or breaks the urge to pick up your phone. I used to sleep with my phone right next to me. It was the first thing I touched in the morning and the last thing I saw at night. When I left it in another room at night, I instantly slept better, and I stopped waking up like a dopamine-starved goblin. So what can we take away from this? Make your environment support your goals. For example, if you're trying to study for a test, power off your phone and move it to a different room. This is just the first step. If you actually want to change how you think, work, and feel, here are 3 habits that genuinely changed my life.